Retinal detachment, detachment of neurosensory retina with RPE. 1. Rhegmatogenous, due to full-thickness defect in neural retina permitting fluid to subretinal space. 2. Tractional, due to pulling of neural layer by traction by contracting vitreoretinal membrane. 3. Exudative, subretinal fluid accumulation from choroidal vessels or neural layer vessels. 6. Repair and regeneration. Although of neural origin, the RPE can be the pluripotent tissues capable of local repair and cell migration. After a focal laser burn, for example, the RPE cells that surround the burn begin to divide, and cells fill the defect to form a new blood-retinal barrier within 1 to 2 weeks. Visual perception is the sensation which results from stimulation of retina with light. -4 types. Light sense, awareness of light erodes. 2. Form sense, ability to discriminate between shape of objects cones. Ill contrast sense, ability to perceive slight change in luminance between regions which are not separated by distinct border. 4. Color sense, ability to discriminate between color of different wavelength. Photochemistry of vision. Light falling upon the retina absorbed by photosensitive pigments in rods and cones initiate photochemical change, initiate electrical change. In this way the process of vision begins. Photochemistry of vision includes A. Vitamin A. B. Visual pigments. C. Light-induced changes. Vitamin A rhodopsin formation. In retina, retinol attached to specific receptor present on basal surface of RPE. Pletinol bound to binding protein. Retinol binding protein. Retinol pigment epithelium. Photoreceptor segment. Inside RPE, no change in Vit A and passes unchanged to outer segment of photoreceptor. There, retinol is oxidized to retinine. Combines to opsin to form rhodopsin. Rhodopsin. Present in disc of outer rod segment. Opsin plus retinol. Mol WT, 40,000. Sensitive to light, 493 to 505 nanometers. Absorbs primarily yellow wavelength of light, transmits violet and red, so also called visual purple. Photopsin. Different from rhodopsin, opsin part. Respond to specific wavelength of light giving rise to color vision. 3 types. A. Blue sensitive, 435 nanometers. Sinolabe. B. Green sensitive, 535 nm. Chlorolabe. C. Red sensitive, 580 nanometers. 2. Light-induced changes. Photochemical changes occurring in rods and cones. In outer segment of rods. 1. Rhodopsin bleaching. 2. Rhodopsin regeneration. 3. Visual cycle. Rhodopsin bleaching and regeneration. Rhodopsin bleaching. Separation of all a transretinal, formed from isomerization of 11-cis retinal and opsin is called photodecomposition, and the rhodopsin is said to be bleached by the action of light within photoreceptors. Presence of light. Rhodopsin regeneration. All transretinal. Enters chromophore pool in photoreceptor outer segment and RPE cells. Isomerized to 11-cis retinal. Binds to opsin to form rhodopsin. Independent of light. This whole process is called rhodopsin regeneration.